Good day to everyone. Today I want to shed some light on a topic of comparison. Comparison, as we know, it is something that we all have experienced from the very time we are born. Right from our birth, we are compared. There are people around us. A baby is compared to his or her siblings or cousins. But what I believe is that comparison is a really baseless thing to do. Every child is unique. Every child is different in his or her own way. So I think comparing them to someone else is a really useless thing. What I believe is that comparing is like asking a fish to climb a tree because a monkey can do it. Usually, when we compare ourselves to others, we lower our self-esteem. Parents, when they compare their kids to someone else's, they are somewhere unknowingly killing the self-confidence of their kid. Comparison can have a lot of effect on us. It can actually affect us a lot mentally. It can make us resentful towards others. We can become jealous of people without any reason. Comparison, it kills the inquisitive kid in us. It forces us to give up our real selves and imitate others. But trust me, the best version of ourselves is the real us. If we try being someone, we'll just end up being the second copy. Theodore Roosevelt once said that comparison is the thief of joy. When we compare our kids and their achievements to others, we are losing the opportunity to see how every kid is unique, every kid is different. By comparing the children with someone else, we are unknowingly destroying their happiness. When children feel that they are being compared, they are stressed. They try to please, they don't know how to please their parents. And when they fail, they think they are not good enough. They think that they are useless. These thoughts themselves are really bad. They can affect the mental health and the overall development of a child. I think now it's high time that we realize that comparison is not the right approach to things. We cannot compare the sun to the moon because they both are different and unique in their own ways. We can't expect a child to be completely identical to another. Just because someone scores a perfect 100 in all tastes and we don't, doesn't make us less good in any way. Just because a friend of mine is a brilliant singer and I am not, doesn't make me inferior in any way. We all are special. God made everyone different. Let us throw away this concept of comparison. Let us identify individual talents. Let us love people the way they are. Let us open our minds. Let us only compare ourselves to the person we were yesterday. Let us do this together. Thank you.